For this purpose, I would request to the Honorable Vice Chancellor to please come on dais and the stage for distribution of roll of honors amongst the awardees. And I would also request to the Controller Examination to announce the names of the awardees. Please. I would also request to Amir Basit, the senior most Dean Faculties of Lahore University, to please come on the stage for distribution of the roll of honor.
In continuation with the award distribution, the third category is Certificate of Distinguished Performance awarded to the candidates Certificate of Distinguished Performance awarded to the candidates with CGPA 3.89 and above but less than 3.94, provided that the candidates have passed all courses, thesis, project, practical, etc. in the first attempt without repeating a course for improvement of CGPA within prescribed time of degree. As well, no disciplinary action has been taken against the candidate by the university, and the recipients are Ms. Samina Tanveer, Master of Philosophy in Mass Communication Research Track, Ms. Saman Tariq, Master of Philosophy in Psychology, Mazhar Iqbal, Master of Philosophy in Management Sciences, Muhammad Adil Khan, Master of Philosophy in Sociology, Nasru Minallah, Master of Philosophy in Islamic Studies, Iftikhar Ahmad, Master of Philosophy in Politics and International Relations,